Hello boys and girls. We are working on lesson 24 in Saxon math, and after you've written your name and your date, I want you to go to number 1. Number 1 says, Elizabeth's mom said, "This Saturday we will be going to the amusement park." How many days does Elizabeth have to wait? So you need to tell me what today's date is. What is today? Are we Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or Sunday? And then you need to count how many days it would take you to get to Saturday. So your answer would be very different than my answer. Write 70 in 3 different ways. 7 tens. That's what I would say. Right? 7 groups of 10 and 7 times 10. This is the 3 ways you can show 70. There's 7 tens, 7 times 10, which is 7 groups of 10. Fill in the blank. You have 4 dimes and 6 pennies. You have 6 dimes and 1 penny. Now this one's where it gets tricky. If you only have 3 dimes, there's one more 10 here. So that leaves you with 16 pennies. If you have 5 dimes, that leaves you one more 10 and 1. So it's 11 pennies. Don't let it trick you. Divide each shape into thirds. So once again, you're going to have to go to the center, and you're not making halves, you're making thirds. It's easy to make fourths and halves. It's a little harder to make thirds. Same way here, you go in the center and you branch off to the center of each of these lines. So there's thirds. And now you're going to color in 2 thirds. And that looks like this. Look at the thermometer at the right. Write that temperature to the nearest 10. So we're looking at the temperature to the nearest 10 degrees Fahrenheit. So if I look up here, I am right here. Is that closer to 70 or 80 degrees? 70 degrees Fahrenheit. You can do this mentally because you're only changing the tens place. Complete the number pattern. Well, I know I'm getting larger, so I'm going to add 7, 14, 21, 28. Now I know this pattern. It is going up by 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 7 is 21. 21 plus 7 is 28. So 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49. If you want to, you are more than welcome to go on to the multiplication slide, and it has skip counting by 7. So it will tell you what comes next. Otherwise, you grab 49 and you count up 7 more. And this concludes lesson 24 in Saxon math.